Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication with SMS on Snapchat. Two-factor authentication added a second login step in addition to your Snapchat username and password. When two-factor authentication is turned on and you log in on a new device, you will be asked to enter a login code. To set up two-factor authentication with SMS, open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon and then tap on settings from the top right corner. Here you will find two-factor authentication. Tap on it, then tap on continue. Here you will find SMS verification with your phone number. Tap on it. Snapchat will send you a code. Tap the code here. 730224 730224. By this way, you can set up your two-factor authentication with SMS on Snapchat. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.